Hey, lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting and nourishing topic for you. Today we're diving into the world of natural beauty with a secret ingredient that's probably in your fridge right now: milk. That's right, milk isn't just for drinking. It has incredible benefits for our skin, eyelashes, lips, hair, and hands. So, stick around as we uncover the amazing beauty hacks you can achieve with a simple glass of milk. Section 1. Benefits for the face. Let's start with the face. Did you know that milk is packed with nutrients that can give your skin a natural glow? It's rich in lactic acid, which helps to exfoliate and hydrate the skin. To make a simple milk face mask, mix a tablespoon of milk with a teaspoon of honey. Apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse off. Your skin will thank you for the instant radiance. Section 2. Milk and lemon face mask for brightening. For those looking to achieve a brighter complexion, this DIY face mask combines the skin brightening properties of lemon with the nourishing benefits of milk. Mix 2 tablespoons of milk with a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, known for its brightening effects. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. Your skin will feel refreshed, and over time, you'll notice a natural, radiant glow. Section 3. Nourishing lips. Moving on to the lips, milk can be a fantastic remedy for dry and chapped lips. The moisturizing properties of milk can leave your lips feeling soft and supple. Create a lip scrub by mixing a teaspoon of milk with sugar. Gently massage this mixture onto your lips in a circular motion, then wipe it off. Section 4. Enhancing eyelashes. With milk. Now, let's move on to eyelashes. If you dream of long, luscious lashes without using fake extensions, milk can be your secret weapon. The proteins and nutrients in milk can help strengthen and lengthen your lashes naturally. Dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into some milk and gently apply it to your lashes before bedtime. You'll be amazed at the results over time. Section 5. Milk for gorgeous hair. Now, let's switch our focus to hair care. Whether you have dry, damaged hair or just want to add some extra shine, milk is the solution. Make a hair mask by combining milk with a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply it to your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash it out. Section 6. Softening hands with milk. And finally, don't neglect your hands. If your hands are feeling rough and dry, give them some TLC with a milk soak. Just fill a bowl with warm milk, immerse your hands, and let them soak for 20 minutes. The lactic acid will help soften your skin, and you'll be amazed at the results. Section 7. Milk ice cubes for puffy eyes. And here's a quick fix for tired and puffy eyes. Milk ice cubes can work wonders to reduce puffiness and soothe the delicate skin around your eyes. Section 8. Rice water and milk toner for even skin tone. Rice water has been a beauty secret for centuries, known for its ability to even out skin tone. Paired with milk, you have a fantastic DIY toner. Soak a cup of rice in water for a few hours. Strain the water and mix it with an equal amount of milk. Use this as a toner after cleansing your face. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming more even-toned and radiant. Creating a homemade face serum with milk can be a simple and effective way to nourish and hydrate your skin. Here's a basic recipe for a milk-based face serum. DIY milk face serum recipe. Ingredients: milk, 2 tablespoons for its hydrating and nourishing properties, rose water, 1 tablespoon for its toning and soothing effects, vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon for its antioxidant and moisturizing benefits. Optional additions: hyaluronic acid, a few drops for additional hydration, essential oils, 2-3 drops such as lavender or chamomile for fragrance and added benefits. Instructions: prepare your tools. Clean glass dropper bottle or serum container. Mixing bowl. Whisk or spoon for mixing. Combine ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of milk with 1 tablespoon of rose water. Add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil to the mixture. Transfer to container. Use a funnel to transfer the serum into a clean glass dropper bottle or serum container. Store and use. Store the serum in a cool, dark place to preserve its freshness. Apply a few drops of the serum to your face after cleansing and before applying moisturizer. Gently massage it. Optional additions: if you're using hyaluronic acid, add a few drops to the mixture and stir well. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oil for fragrance and additional skin benefits. Mix thoroughly. Whisk or stir the ingredients thoroughly to ensure they are well combined. Certainly, It's crucial to emphasize the importance of performing a patch test before applying any DIY skincare recipes to the face. Here's a suggestion on how you can communicate this in your video. Before applying any of these DIYs to your face, it's essential to perform a patch test. Patch test before use. Hey, beautiful souls, before you dive into trying any of these amazing DIY skincare treatments, take a moment for a patch test. Our skin is unique, and what works wonders for one person may not be suitable for another. Why patch test? Patch testing helps you identify any potential allergic reactions or sensitivities to the ingredients. Here's how you can do it. Choose a small area. Pick a small, inconspicuous area on your forearm or behind your ear. Apply a small amount. Apply a small amount of the DIY mixture. Wait and observe. Wait for at least 24 hours and observe for any redness, itching, or irritation. Look for red flags. If you notice any red flags during this time like redness, itching, or irritation, please refrain from using the mixture on your face. If all clear, if your patch test goes smoothly and you don't experience any adverse reactions, it's likely safe to use on your face. Proceed with confidence. Proceed with confidence, beautiful. But remember, everyone's skin is different, so listen to your skin. Consult a dermatologist if you have specific skin concerns or conditions. It's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist before trying new DIY skincare recipes. Safety first. Your safety and skin health are top priorities, so let's ensure that your skincare journey is not only enjoyable but also safe. Now, let's get back to these fantastic DIYs.